Dana Point is the area which lies midway between San Diego and Los Angeles and has everything from luxury spas and sunset wine cruises to surfing and golfing with an ocean view. There are several opportunities to create lasting moments, like stand-up paddleboarding and kayaking rentals, pirate ship excursions, beach and aerial yoga courses, and deep-sea fishing. Dana Point is intended for folks who would rather want to go and do than to see and be seen. We forge our own paths and follow them. Come as you are and depart as a local in Dana Point, whether you're here for a conference, a family vacation, or a romantic honeymoon. More than 2,500 boats may dock at Dana Point Harbor, which also features more than 50 specialized stores and restaurants. Thousands of people come to the harbor every year for shopping, sport fishing, strolling, biking, parasailing, and a variety of other leisure activities. Doheny State Park, one of California's most well-liked beach destinations, is also thought of as having its entrance at the Dana Point Harbor. In addition to Doheny State Park, Dana Point is home to a number of additional top-notch ideal beaches for a day of swimming, surfing, or sand castle building. The seaside community of Dana Point is located in picturesque South Orange County, midway between Los Angeles and San Diego, and is close to some of Southern California's most popular tourist destinations. You'll escape to a less congested, completely reachable beach paradise whether you want to take advantage of world-class surfing and tanning or indulge in a seaside resort. Dana Point is in the center of the surf culture that is so prevalent in Southern California. In fact, the Dana Point Mafia, a significant group of early surf icons, included Dana Point resident Hobie Alter, who founded the Hobie Surf brand in 1954, John Severson, who founded Surfer magazine in 1962, legendary surfer Phil Edwards, and director Bruce Brown, who produced the 1966 film Endless Summer. Photo ops with their monuments are allowed in Waterman Plaza. Surf at Salt Creek Beach, a site for the Endless Summer movie, or head over to Doheny State Beach for your very own surf instruction on waves that are suitable for beginners. Check out the incredible collection of vintage surfboards, artwork and other surf-related artifacts at the Surfing Heritage and Culture Center in the nearby city of San Clemente. This is a must-have for beach bums and surf fans. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. There are plenty more activities you may do to enjoy the Pacific Ocean besides surfing. Take a stroll around the lovely Dana Point Harbor, which features a sizable 2,500 sleep marina, interesting shops and enticing waterfront eating. You may sail to Catalina Island for golfing, horseback riding, hiking and shopping, or you can reserve a whale and a dolphin watching trip to discover why Dana Point has been dubbed the dolphin and whale watching capital of the world TM. Choose from a variety of additional water activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, scuba diving and fishing. Located just northeast of Dana Point, this historic mission features Spanish colonial architecture that dates back to the late 1700s. Mission San Juan Capistrano, sometimes referred to as the birthplace of Orange County, is the 7th of 21 Spanish missions built in California during the 17th and 18th century. The mission holds its annual St. Joseph's Day and the Return of the Swallows celebration on March 19 to honor its cherished bird population. The Ocean Institute offers classes on local maritime ecology and history. Even better, you may sail in a recreation of an 18th century schooner to experience the ocean the way early explorers did. Dana Point Headlands Preserve hiking is a must-do before leaving. The paths provide classic cliffs, ocean and beach vistas of the well-known Dana Point Headlands, which are covered in stunning wildflowers in the spring.